Today's special for lunch is squid curry. So we bought a few fresh ones from the fish market. Hi friends, welcome once again to Simply Grace's Kitchen, and this is Grace. We cleaned the squid, removed all the unwanted parts and then washed it thoroughly with salt and water, just like how we are doing. A hometown visit is not only to see and spend time with our loved ones, but also to enjoy the delicious home cooked food that we miss so much. Look at this. Inside the squid, you'll find this thin, transparent strip that looks like plastic. This is called the pen or gladius. Squid does not have bones. This pen is the only hard part and it supports the body. We remove this before cooking. Now let's come back. Let's marinate the squid. Add needed salt, 2 to 3 spoons of chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and keep it aside. It was raining outside and inside the kitchen everyone was busy preparing different dishes for our lunch. While this food is marinating, let's prepare the coconut mix. In a pan, take grated coconut from one medium-sized coconut. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon pepper, 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 5 to 6 shallots. Fry this on a low flame until everything turns golden brown and crispy. Once the coconut mixture is getting crispy and brown, just before switching off the stove, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, stir well and switch off the stove. Let it cool for a few minutes and grind it into a smooth paste. Next, heat another pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 2 large onions sliced thin and saute until translucent. Add 2 green chilies and 2 tomatoes thinly sliced and saute until soft. Now add the marinated squid along with the ground coconut paste. Mix well, check the salt and add if needed. Cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the squid is done. And there you go, squid curry with a beautiful aroma of fried coconut. By this time the other dishes were also ready. Beans toran, fish curry, sambar and of course the papad. We all sat together and enjoyed a sumptuous lunch. Friends, if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video and click the bell icon too.